Jojo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought it would be a really fun idea to make some slime. So today I'm going to be making slime a different way that I've never made it before. I thought it would be fun to try to put mousse in it. If you don't know what mousse is, it's like this thing that you put in your hair after you shower. But this is volumizing mousse. So I'm going to be mixing volumizing mousse, clear glue, and borax. And it should turn out like a white or a clear. I don't really know. I don't even know if it's gonna work. It might be the world's largest mess, but hey, it'll be fun. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, if you're hearing noise, is because I'm heating the water up. I'm going to take a spoon, like half a spoonful of borax, and put it in and mix it with hot water. So I'm gonna take half a spoonful of borax and mix it with hot water because you got to like make your borax activator, slime, I don't know, I'm not fancy. I don't make slime that often. Hold on. My water's still not hot yet, so I'm gonna start with my other thing as it's still heating up. So I'm going to be mixing this glue in my bowl. And I'm gonna put this glue in my bowl. Now I like to make sure that I get all of the glue out of my bowl. I feel like this is a noisy project. Okay, filled my glue bottle up. Now I'm gonna stir both of these at the same time. So I got this, I'm throwing this away though. One, I believe. And I'm gonna stir this one so the borax like dissolves, I think is what it's supposed to do. I don't know, I'm not the most professional slime maker, I'm not gonna lie. So right now it literally just looks like water, because that's all that I've really done so far, just put the glue in the water. So now I'm gonna put the mousse in it. So if I'll just show you here on this. Isn't that cool? I know, right? Okay, I put a lot in right now, and it comes out really slow. Oh, maybe I should put this in after the borax. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna use this scooper now to put more of the borax in because I think it'll be easier to use. Okay, oh, this is looking so cool. It's like super white right now. And there's just like a clump, but I think it's gonna turn out really good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually quite excited for this. Look at this. This is like cooler than any slime that I've ever made before. His slime is turning out really good. I'm so proud of myself. I've never been so proud before. You might be like, oh my gosh, it just looks like nothing, but I'm so proud. I've never made so much slime so good before. Oh my gosh, and it smells like so good. Oh my god, it's like so fluffy. It's like breaks apart, but it's not going to later because like it's just like, oh, look at that. I just created a disaster. I make myself laugh. This is going so well. I give up. This is why I don't make slime because I just keep adding things and then it just goes downhill from there. Thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Kinda turned into a parody at the end. Kinda. Not really. It was actually me trying, but it turned into a parody. Embarrassing. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much and peace out.